Next, read.
Several electric bulbs designed to be used on a 220
Which one? 12th one, no? 12th one?
Several electric bulbs designed to be used on a 220 volts electric supply
220 volts electric supply,
are rated 10 watts.
Are rated 10 watts, okay. So power is equal to 10 watt. And the voltage is equal to 220 volt. 1 second. Yara matadadare gapundre.
How many lamps can be connected in parallel with each other across two wires of 220 volts? Like if the maximum available current is 5 ampere.
So maximum available current is 5 ampere. Over. So see here, there is a bulb which consumes 10 watt of electricity. Okay, 10 watt is a power, and the voltage source is how much? 220 volt. I should tell how many number of bulbs can I connect under one bulb, two bulb, three bulb. How many number of bulbs? Now here how many are connected? Three. Three bulbs like this. How many bulbs can be connected? In a parallel, they are saying. Now these are also connected in which type of series? Parallel. In domestic circuit, you know that these are all connected in parallel. Similarly here also, how many bulbs? Now I have drawn just for example 3 here. I'm going actually. So I should calculate number of bulbs. This is my question. Number of bulbs is equal to question mark. And there is one important thing that you should know. They are saying that total current passing in the circuit is how much? 5 ampere. 5 ampere is the total current passing. 5 ampere ಒಳಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಲ್ಬ್ ಕುಂದಿರ್ತಾವಪ್ಪ that I should check. ಅದರ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರಂಗ ಎಲ್ಲ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. Getting? So 5 ampere ಒಳಗಡೆನ I am just giving current of 5 ampere. In that 5 ampere every bulb should work. Okay. So current I is equal to how much? 5 ampere current. Any doubts? So I should calculate number of bulbs here. So we have one formula first. I will write the formula. Number of bulbs is equal to new formula for you guys. No? Number of bulbs is equal to total current I. Hold on. How much is the total current? 5 ampere. I know that. Okay. Number of bulbs I don't know. Total current I. Hold on by independent current in lamp or given to the lamp. I don't know independent current going to this lamp. Ill bare current okati, ill bare current. We know that it's a parallel circuit. Hochla 1000. In series circuit, everywhere the current is flowing same. Ill 5 ampere ithan ella 5 ampere okati, ella resistance odu. But when we go to parallel, we know that everywhere the current will be differing. Perfect. So first we will calculate this independent current I should calculate. So to calculate independent current I, getting ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಬೇಡ್ರಿ. This is independent current. I will take II. Okay, independent I, independent L there. Okay. So which formula I should take according to you guys? Current formula which I should take? There are too many formulas. Now which formula I should take and go? Any idea? Is equal to question mark. Which formula I should take and go further? Should I take V is equal to IR? Should I take power formula? Should I take heating? Which formula according to you guys? Current I is equal to? I can't do it. Which formula I should take? Which formula I should take? I should take power formula because P and V is given. So power is equal to P is equal to VI. I am finding I. Independent current is equal to P by V. P by V. How much is P? Power is 10 watt. 10 watt. And the voltage is 220 volts. Perfect. Okay. 0 cancel. 1 by 22 ampere. So this is getting how much current here? The current A flowing is 1 by 22 ampere. 1 by 22 ampere. 1 by 22 ampere. Hang pass agad current. Tilita? Getting the current passing through the each circuit in that resistance is 1 by 22, 1 by 22, 1 by 22. Differentiate agi pass agad. Actually 5 ampere. But 5 ampere pass aagile. you can see 1 by 22 ampere is passing. Okay, so now I have got my I it one. This is how much 1 by 22. Either say the total current 5 ampere. So now I will apply the formula. Number of bulbs is equal to, I will write it once again. Total current I whole divided by independent current. Independent current II. Okay. So total current is how much? 5 ampere, and independent current is 1 by 22. Independent current is 1 by 22. 5 under 5 by 1 is 5 means 5 by 1. So can I write it as 5 by 1 whole divided by 1 by 22. Okay. So it will appear easier now. Now ಇದು ಮೇಲೆ ಬಂದದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತಿ 22 by 1 ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. Okay. So here only I will write 5 by 1 into 22 by 1. This is reciprocal. This will reciprocate. So 5 into 22, do it 110. So how many bulbs we are using? Lamps or bulbs? Check the question. Bulb. Lamps or bulbs? Bulbs. ನಾನು ನೆನಪಿಲ್ಲ ಅದು. ಓಕೆ, ಬಲ್ಬ್ಸ್ ತಿಳಿತಾ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಸೊ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಲ್ಬ್ಸ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ನಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? 5 ampere ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ I can connect 110 bulbs. That's how we do this one. Any doubts? So once again I will tell you, current 5 ampere is there. Okay, and voltage source is 220 volt. Power is 10 watt of each bulb. You note power na increase ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಷ್ಟು bulb ಹಿಡಿಯಲ್ಲ. You can see power it's consuming very less. It's just consuming 10 watt. So 110 bulbs are 110 bulbs are there. If I increase this to 100 watt, okay, your homework is that increase it to 100 watt, ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಕಾರ 11 ಬರ್ತಾವೆ. Getting 110, if you 110 ಬಂದೈತಿ ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಕಾರ. Okay, ಅಷ್ಟಂತೂ ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, 110 ಅಂತೂ ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಜ್ಮಾಸ್ ಹೇಳತ್ತೇನೆ. Your homework is that today increase this power to 100 watt. Let's think that one bulb consumes 100 watt. Check how many number of bulbs can I fit there. ತಿಳಿತಾ? Okay. Once again I will tell you. Power is 220. Sorry, voltage is 220 volt. Power is 10 watt. Current was 5 ampere. How many number of bulbs can I fit there in parallel? They were asking. So the formula goes with number of bulbs is equal to total current I by independent current. I knew total current I is 5 ampere. Independent current ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. Independent current formula P is equal to VI. Very simple formula. And I is equal to P by V. P nu ಗೊತ್ತೈತಿ, V nu ಗೊತ್ತೈತಿ. I found out independent current. After finding independent current, apply it here, you will get the answer. Any doubts? Any doubts? Take it. This is your homework. Take P is equal to 100 watts and check how many number of bulbs will sit there. Okay.
How many lamps can be connected in parallel with each other across 2 wires of 220 volts?
110 is the answer. Check answer. Read next one. Which one? 13th one. Read.
A hot plate of electric oven connected to a 220 volt line
Connected to a 220 volt line.
has two resistance coils,
Huh.
A and B, each of 24 ohm resistance, which may be used separately in series or in parallel. What are the currents in the three cases?
See here, very simple question. There is a voltage line of 220 volt. Okay, 220 volt voltage line is coming. There are two resistances. Both are same. First resistance is 24 ohm. Second resistance is also 24 ohm. He is telling me what are the different types of current can I get, output of current. If I connect it separately, I will do and show. First, if I connect it separately andre ಏನಪ್ಪ, I am just using only one resistance here. Only one resistance of this. Separately, case 1. Okay. Separately, so only one resistance I will use. Ra is equal to 24 ohm. I know Ra. I should find current I. current I is equal to question mark here. In three cases, current I is equal to what formula? V is equal to IR. I is equal to V by R. Okay. V is equal to IR. I will write it and show here. V is equal to IR. I is equal to V by R. V by R. How much is V? V is 220 volt. 220 volt by resistance 24. 2 ones are 2 12s are 11 110. 2 6 are 2 5s are 10 10 55. 55 by 6 you do. 55 by 6. Be fast. 55 by 6. Mm-hmm. 9.17. 1666 will come. 9.1666 will come. So this can be written as 9.17 ampere. Getting? Understood what I did here? So here how much resistance I have used? Only one resistance. Second, if I use one resistance, the current is 9.17. Case 2. Case 2, I will use in series. The resistance are connected in series. In a series on a current part, first I will calculate the resistance. So RS is equal to RA plus RB I should do plus RB. RS is equal to RA is how much? ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆ ಭಾಳ ಆವಾಜ್ ಬರತೈತಿ ಇವತ್ತು ನಾನು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಎದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಯಾರೋ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಗಪ್ ಮುಂದಿರ್ಬೇಕು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಈಸಿ ಸಮ್ ಓಕೆ ಲಿಸನ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಲಿ 24 plus 24 ಎದಕ್ಕಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಆವಾಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತೀರಿ ಯಾರ ಕಲಿಯಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಸಿಟ್ ಕ್ವೈಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ 24 plus 24 48 ohm RS is equal to 48 ohm getting so this is in series. Now I should again calculate the current. Current I is equal to V by R. V is constant. V is 220 volt, and resistance is 48. This time 224, 11, 10, 12, 55, 55 by 12. Do it. 55 by 12. Tell me the answer.
4.5.
4 point. Check everybody. 4.5 ampere. Check everybody. 6 ampere is here. 55 by 12. 4.583. Correct. 4.583. 4.6 ampere. Okay. Perfect. No problem. 4.5 is also correct answer. No problem. Read the second case. Read the second case. This was done by series. Third case. Case 3. Case 3 we will take a parallel. So if I take parallel, I should do again 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by Ra plus 1 by Rb. 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by Ra. Ra is 24, Rb is also 24. 1 by 24 plus 1 by 24. LCM will be 1 by 24 only. 1 by Rp is equal to 24. 1 plus 1. 1 by Rp is equal to 2 by 24, 2 ones are 12 are, so Rp is 12 ohm. Any doubts? So Rp is 12 ohm. Now I got Rp, now again I should find current here. For the case 3, I is equal to V by Rp, V is 220 volt and Rp is 12, 2 6 are 110, 3 is 55, 55 by 3, 55 by 3 do it. 18.3 18.3 ampere. Easy as sum? Easy sum? So current, we can take this as S separately, current separately, current in series, SER series, and current in parallel. These are the three cases. In every case, the current you can see, when I used separately it was 9.17, when I took series it was 4.58, 4.6. When I did parallel, it was 18.3. Easy? There is some? Any doubts? Any doubts? There is some? Take it. See, these sums you should practice multiple times, then only you will understand and you can do it properly. Now, once I know ಬಂದ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ it's impossible. Even I have studied this 2 times, 3 times. ನಾ ಮಾಡಿ ಬಂದು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಈಸಿ ಆಗತ್ತೆ ನಾನು. ನೀವು ಹಂಗ ಬಂದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ ಹೇಳತ್ತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ? ಹೇಗೆ? Any doubts in this one? Any doubts? Normally? So first time I have done case 1 separately, case 2 series, case 3 parallel. If you see properly, there are only 4 to 5 formulas which we are using repeatedly. That's bit formulas use ಮಾಡತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನಾವು. Yes, tough ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ, but there are only 5 to 6 formulas. If you are proper practice, you have proper grip in that, it's enough. Next one. Next one. 14th one. Read.
Compare the power. Use the 2 ohm resistance.
See here, compare the power is saying. So power I should compare, okay? I am comparing power, always remember this, power, okay, further.
Use the 2 ohm resistor in each of the following circuits. First one. A 6-watt battery in series.
6 watt.
6 volt.
6 volt battery
In series. With 1 ohm.
with 1 ohm.
And 2 ohm resistance.
1 ohm and 2 ohm resistance.
And second one.
Second one.
4 volt
Voltage is equal to 4 volt.
battery in parallel with 12 ohm and 2 ohm resistance.
R1 is equal to 12 ohm and R2 is equal to 2 ohm. This is connected in series. That is connected in parallel. Voltage is different. Okay. Resistances are different. I should compare what? Compare power. I should compare the power in going in 2 ohm and their power in 2 ohm. ಎಷ್ಟು power consumed by battery or that resistance. Getting? So, see one thing, always remember, even this bulb, this also has resistance or no? Resistance ಇರ್ತೈತಿಲ್ಲ ಅದು. So that can also be compared as thought as it's a resistance. Electrical bulb ಅಂದ್ರೂ resistance ಇದ್ದಂಗ. Getting or no? So each and every device has its own resistance. Okay, don't tell you worry. So R1, R2 is given. How much power is consumed by this resistance? How much power is consumed by that resistance? I should find. Extremely in R2 only. 2 ohm. So I should find power in R2 is equal to question mark here. Here also power consumed by R2 is equal to question mark. First, let's think about power now. So, time told. Power. We will think more about this power concept. What are the 3 formulas we have power? First, you heard it. We have done one sum based upon this. We have 3 formulas. Very good. First, power basic formula P is equal to V into I. Everybody knows this. Power is equal to E. Correct. This sum will teach you about power. Okay. ಏನು ಪೂರ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಟೀಚ್ ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಒಂದು ಸಮ್ ಟೀಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ. ಪವರ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ವಿ ಐ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ, ಪವರ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ವಿ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಿ ನೋ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಐ ಆರ್, ವಿ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಐ ಆರ್. ಸೊ ಐ ಆರ್ ಇಂಟು ಐ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಆರ್. ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್. Power is equal to I square R. Second formula. Third formula, power is equal to V square by R. These are the 3 power formulas you have. These are the 3 power formulas. Now you guys should tell me when I should use VI, when I should use I square R, when I should use V square by R. This is the most confusing. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Perfect. ಈಗ ನೀವು ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ರಿ, ಯಾರು ಡೌಟ್ ಕೇಳಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. Now you think when you should use VI, when you should think I square R, when you should use V square by R. ಹೇಳ್ರಿಪ್ಪ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾರೋ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳಿಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ when I was teaching. That is very basic. Okay. See here, always remember VI is used in very very basic sums. Where V is the potential, where we have potential difference V, where I have current, where I have P. Agale sum ಮಾಡತ್ತಿದ್ವಿ ನಾವು. P is equal to VI, V is equal to P by I. It has very basic sum. Second, P is equal to I square R is used in series. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಇದು? Series circuit ಒಳಗೆ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Why I will tell you that also. And in parallel I should use this formula. But month use ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆ ನೆನಪು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಓಕೆ ತೆಗೆದು ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಅದು ಪ್ಯಾರಲ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಇನ್ ಸೀರೀಸ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಇನ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಲ್. ವೈ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಎನಿಬಡಿ ಟೆಲ್ ಮಿ ವೈ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಇನ್ ಸೀರೀಸ್? ಥಿಂಕ್ 1 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್, ವಿಚಾರ ಮಾಡಿ. ಹಂಗ ಎದಕ್ಕೆ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಅದು ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು? Very good. Okay. In series, you can see I will not change. I constant ಇರುತ್ತೆ throughout circuit. 5 ampere ಅಂದ್ರೆ 5 ampere ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So P is directly proportional to I. Perfect. Series ಒಳಗೆ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಕರೆಂಟ್ I. ಈಗ ಪ್ಯಾರಲ್ ಒಳಗೆ ನಾ I ಇದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ ರಿಕೋರಿ. I ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಕಡೆ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಹಾಕೊಂತ ಹೋಗ್ತೇನೆ. ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಐ ಯೂಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇನ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಲ್? I ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಕಡೆ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಕೈತಿ, ಹಾಕಕ್ ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಚಾನ್ಸ್. Similarly here in what parallel, if you go, potential difference, voltage will be same. Voltage ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. 220 ವೋಲ್ಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 220 ವೋಲ್ಟ್ ಇರ್ತೈತೆ. ಹೌದು, ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತೈತೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಡೊಮೆಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್? 220 ವೋಲ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ತೈತೆ. ನಮ್ಗೆ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, 220 ವೋಲ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ತೈತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಗೋ, ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಚೇಂಜ್, ಹಿಯರ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಚೇಂಜ್. ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್? ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಫಾರ್ series, this is used for parallel. Now one sum I will do and show. So power in R2 first. ಈಗ ನಾ ಇದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು, I square R. In series ಇದೆ. I should use what? I square R. Do I know I here? Do I know I? Current I. First my work is to find current I. So current I is equal to V is equal to IR. I is equal to V by R. Resistance in series ಒಳಗೆ ಇದೆ. Resistance in series. So first I should find RS. RS is equal to R1 plus R2. R1 is how much? 1 ohm. R2 2 ohm. Total RS is 3 ohm. Perfect. RS is equal to 3 ohm. So now I will apply here. V is how much? 6 volt by RS 3 ohm. 3 ones are 3 twos are. So current I is equal to 2 ampere. Any doubts? Any doubts? Current I is equal to 2 ampere. After getting current I is equal to 2 ampere, now I will apply it here. Power is equal to I square R. Just now I got I is 2 square into R resistance in power in R2 ಹುಡುಕಂತ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದಷ್ಟು ತೋರಿ resistance 2. 4 into 2 8 watt is the power. ತಿಳಿತಾ? I should only consider this as resistance. R I have considered as R2. You consider ಮಾಡಬೇಡ್ರಿ because they are asking me. Read the question. Everybody read the question. Compare the power used in 2 ohm resistor. So I have considered the resistance as what? 2 ohm here. ತಿಳಿತಾ? 2 ohm resistance ಅದರೊಳಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಪವರ್? 8 watt. If you compare it in 1 ohm resistance, 2 square into 1 4 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So this is using 4 watt, this is using 8 watt. Okay, second question. Over idista kati. Next here power consumed by R2. Power formula is V square by R. I know V square also. V is 4. I should find R. R1 and R2 parallel connected is. It's connected in parallel. No? So I should find RP first. RP is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2, 1 by 12 plus 1 by 12. How much will get stuck? 12, 1 plus 1, 2 by 12. 2 by 12, wait 1 second, 6. Sorry. Why I wrote 12? I don't know. 1 by 1 plus 1 by 2 I should write. I wrote 1 by 12, 1 by 2. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ನೋಡಿದೆ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಏನೋ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಆದ ಅನ್ಸ. 1 by R1 is 1 ohm. ಇದು ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ ನಾನು ಬೈ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 12 ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡೆ ನಾನು. This is 1 ohm. Correct it is, huh? Read question from there.
Compare the power used in a 2 ohm resistor in each of the following circuits. First one.
No, from here you read it. From 4 watt.
4 watt battery in parallel with 12 ohm and 2 ohm.
Okay, so we should consider this 12 ohm and 2 ohm. Now we'll get 12 twos are 2, 6, 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 1. 2 twos are 4, 4 are 12. 12 is 1 are 6. 2, 6 are 12. 1 plus 6, 7 will get now. Understood, okay. The mistake I was doing is here, I will do it in series and show. One circuit ಮಾಡಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. R1 is how much? 12 ohm. R1 is 12 ohm. R2 is how much? 2 ohm. And the voltage is 4 volt. Voltage is 4 volt. Now see here, power consumed by R2 I should find. Power consumed by R2. So my resistance is how much here? Direct 2 ತಗೋಬೇಕು ನಾ. If I do this, it's a consumed resistance. Pura resistance. ಅದು ಉಪಯೋಗ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಗೆ. They are just asking me of R. So R is directly, V is how much? 4 square by R ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 directly. ತಿಳಿತು? ಇದಕ್ಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇದ್ರದಷ್ಟೇ ಬೇಕು ಕೇಳತ್ತ. ನಾ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡತ್ತಿದ್ದೆ, that was my mistake. Okay. So 4 square is 16 by 2. 2 ones are 8 are correct. 8 watt. E correct one. So power is same. Notary. Conclusion. So here voltage was 6 volt. Resistance was 2 ohm. It was in series. We got 8 watt power. There voltage was 4 volt. Resistance was 2 ohm. But in parallel we got 8 watt. So series and parallel whatever voltages can differ. Okay. And the resistance can differ. But we might end up getting the same power. Same power month. Allu 8 watt month. Allu 8 watt month. So that's what is the main thing. Any doubts? Okay. ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಇದು ಒಂದು ಗಡ್ಬಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ. This was the only mistake I did. I was taking it as what RS. ಇದು ಪೂರಾ ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ಮಾಡಿ R ತಗೊಳತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. You should only take this R2. 1 second. See, I have practiced this sum and come. ಮಾಡಿ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಸಮ್ ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಗಡ್ಬಡ್ ಆಕೈತೆ. ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್? ಸೊ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಭಾಳ ಬೇಕಿ ಸಮ್ಸಿ ತಲೆಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ. ನೀವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ ದಟ್ ಮಚ್ ಇಟ್ ಬಿ ಈಸಿಯರ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್, ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇಯರ್, ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಮೆಂಬರ್. ನಾವು ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತೇನೆ. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಾ ಹತ್ತು ಸಲ ಓದಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್? ಸೊ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತೇನೆ. Getting? So read here once again. This is a series connected. We have voltage, we have a resistance 1, we have resistance 2. Okay. Second, we have this is connected in parallel. In circuit madini. Idhar circuit madilla na. Idhar maadi bidtare ide. 1 second. You can see it, think it like this. This is my R1. 1 ohm. Idu maadi bittare gottaagbidutte ನನಗೆ. This is R2. 2 ohm. And this is our voltage. Voltage 6 volt. ಈ ಟೈಪ್ ಇದೆ series. ಆದ್ರೆ V is equal to IR, sorry, RS, where is the main formula? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿ. Power is equal to I square R. V ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ V is given R1, R2 is 1. Is current I given here? Current I given? I ಕೊಟ್ಟೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. So first I found current I by V is equal to IR formula. I got I 2 ampere. This 2 ampere current passing in R2. We are specifically interested here. Don't take R1 and R2. Leave that. ತಿಳಿತೈತೆ ಹೇಳತ್ತಿದ್ದ. Take resistance what? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗತ್ತೈತಪ್ಪ ಅದ್ರಷ್ಟು ನಂಗೆ ಫರ್ಕ್ ಬೀಳ್ತೈತೆ. So I have to quote R is equal to RS. 1 second ತಡ್ರಿಪ್ಪ. I have to RS here. R is equal to 2 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್? 2 ತಗೊಂಡ್ಮಾಡೋದೇನ? 1 second. Read the question from the beginning.
Compare the power used in the 2 ohm resistor in each of the following circuits. First one, a 6 watt battery in series with 1 ohm and 2 ohm resistors. And second one, a 4 watt battery.
This is correct. This is correct. See, I have not entered into this formula. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾ R2 ohm ಒಳಗೆ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ. We are applying this 2 ohm here. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತನ್ನ. Current find ಮಾಡಕ್ separately ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಮತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ see, when I am finding current, I should add this and this. Then only I can get current. Here I have found current. So current is how much? 5 ampere. First combine this. Use RS is equal to R1 plus R2 formula. Then you will get RS. Then this RS is applied here. V by RS. ಅವಾಗ ನಮ್ಗೆ I current ಆಯ್ತು. Current I see here, you can see I have used R as 2 ampere. 2 I have not used this 1 ohm, 2 ohm, add ಮಾಡಿ 3 ohm use ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ನಾನು. I have not used this. You can see what I have used here. The resistance passing in 2 ohm. Perfect ಮಾಡಿದ್ನ, correct ಮಾಡಿದ್ನ. Similarly here, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಪೂರಾ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಅದು ಮಾಡಬಾರದು. ವಿ ಆರ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಕಂಪೇರಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ಇದಷ್ಟ ಬೇಕಂತ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗತ್ತಪ್ಪ getting. So here how much was it? 2 ohm. So V square is given, V is 4, R directly it is given, take it 2 ohm and do the sum, will get the answer. Any doubts? Take it. Today I will stop here. Okay. Check ಮಾಡಿ. In summer, question, right?
Two lamps. One rated 100 watts at 220 volts.
100 watts and 220 volts.
And the other 60 watts,
60 watts,
220 volts
220 volts
are connected in parallel
are connected in panel
to electric main supply.
to electrical main supply.
What current is drawn from the line if the supply voltage is 220 volts?
Supply voltage is 220 volt. What current is drawn from the line? Okay. So two lamps, one is 100 watt, 220 volt supply. Second lamp 60 watt, it is consuming 60 watt, 220 volts. How much current will flow here? That they are asking. Not individually this or individually this. How much current is in the circuit? That means when I pass here current, how much current is passing from this ammeter? Getting individual current, we are not checking here. Current in the circuit, whole circuit. So we are what checking the current? I is equal to question mark. Current I is equal to question mark. Which formula should I use here? According to you guys, say power is given. Power P1, we'll consider this as P1 is equal to 100 watt. P2 is equal to 60 watt. And voltage is equal to its constant 220 volts. Which formula I should use for I? P is equal to Vi, correct? Because I have power, P is equal to Vi is the best formula to go with. Okay. So first I will find I1, then I2, then I will find I. Getting? So I1 is equal to P1 is equal to Vi1 and ಬರಿದಾನೆ. Vi1. I1 is equal to P1 by V. P1 is how much? P1 is 100 by 220. 0 cancel. 5 11 5 by 11 ampere. This is I1. I1 is equal to 5 by 11 ampere. Next. Similarly, I will do P2. P2 is equal to V I2. I2 is equal to P2 by V. P2 is 60 by 220. 0 cancel. 3 is 11 is 3 by 11 ampere. I2 is equal to 3 by 11 amperes. I2 is equal to 3 by 11 ampere. What did I calculate here? How much current is passing here? How much current is passing here? I have calculated separately. I1 under either, I2 under here. This getting. So if I add both of them, I will get I total I current. So total current I is equal to, ಇದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನೀವು ಪ್ಯಾರಲ್ ಒಳಗೆ ನೋಡಿರ್ಬೇಕು. Total current I is equal to I1 plus I2 will do I1 plus I2. Remember, in series there is no need to do I1 plus I2. I will be same throughout the circuit. But in parallel we should do I1 plus I2 plus I3. Okay. So I1 is how much here? 5 by 11. 5 by 11 ampere plus I2 is 3 by 11. Since I have 11, 11, there is no need to do LCM. Directly I will take 11. 5 plus 3, 8 by 11 ampere. Check it's 8 by 11 ampere or it's in decimal in the answer, back answer. Yeah, no pass. Do 8 by 11. Tell me the answer. Madrid. 8 by 11 Madrid. Correct? Correct? You can leave here also or 0.72, right? Any doubts? Any doubts? Easy? See here, P1, V1, P2, V2 is given. V is constant, so take VV. First find I1, then I2. This was I1, we'll find my first. I1 is it. Then I found out I2, then I added I1 plus I2, I got my answer. Easy? Take it. Next one. Read.
Which uses more energy?
16th one. 1 6. Read.
Which uses more energy? 250 watts watts.
Energy is equal to question mark here, which uses more energy. Or 250 volts. Watts. Power. A 250 watt. TV.
Set in 1 hour.
TV set in 1 hour. Time 1 hour.
Or 1200 watts. That's
Power 1200 watts.
Toaster in 10 minutes.
Toaster in time 10 minutes. What is the formula of energy? Energy is equal to W by T. But I want it in the format of power. P by T ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಂತ. W by T ಹೇಳೋಕೆ W ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವ್ಯಾಟ್ ಹೇಳತ್ತೀನಿ, ಪವರ್ ಹಂಗೆ ಹೇಳತ್ತೀನಿ, ವರ್ಕ್ ಹಂಗೂ ತಗೋಬಹುದು. ಪವರ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಪವರ್ ಇಂಟು ಟೈಮ್. Energy is equal to power into time. This is the best formula. Energy is equal to power into time. Okay. Work is not there here. Work namak find madkondu. Power is there. Time is there. I should find energy. Energy is equal to power into time. Simple formula. Now, first I should find the energy of this, then energy of this, then I should compare which is using more energy. Now, first let's see. This is watt, this is hour. Okay, this is watt, perfect. But this is in hour, this is in minute. So I should convert it first. In the minute, this hour ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ಇದ್ರ minute ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Correct? So I will make this as hour. 10 minute can be written as what? 10 minute can be written as 10 by 60 hours. Perfect? Can write? 10 minutes means 10 by 60 hour or 1 by 6 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. 1 by 6 hour ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಎರಡು ಸೇಮ್. ತಿಳಿತಾ? 10 by 60 minutes. Okay. So next, energy is equal to power into time. First case 1 TV ಮಾಡೋದು. TV, energy of TV. So TV energy, TV ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀನಿ. Energy of TV is equal to power is how much? 250 and time is 1 hour. 250 into 1, 250. Okay, energy is written as joules, watt hour. This is watt, this is hour, this is watt hour. Ishta ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ರಿ ಸರ್. Energy TV. Okay. Next, energy of what? Toaster, toaster, toaster. Energy of toaster again 1200 into 10 by 60. 0, 0, 6 ones are 6 twos are 12, 20. 20 into 10, 200 watt hour. Any doubts? Any doubts what I did here? First, what I did? This was 1 hour, this was minutes. I converted into hour. Then one simple formula is energy is equal to power into time. I have power, I have time. Just multiply. You get these answers. Okay. After that, now we can write answer as 250 watt hour also, or we can convert it to kilowatt hours. 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 1000 watt hour. Okay. So 250, this can be written as 0.250 kilowatt hour, and 200 can be written as 0.2 kilowatt hour or 0.200 kilowatt hour. Okay, that is the SI unit. Now, ತಿಳಿತಾ ಯಾರು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತಿದ್ current? Energy, which is using more energy? TV is using more energy. It's using 0.250, and electrical toaster, though it is using 1200 watts. Okay, but we are just using it for 10 minutes, so it's consuming less energy. If ಜಾಸ್ತಿ time use ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ definitely it would beat that. Getting? They have used TV for 1 hour, so it has used how much? 0.25 kilowatt hour of energy, and the power of this is 1200 watt, but used for just 10 minutes, so it has used 0.2 kilowatt hour. Any doubts? Remember this formula now, okay? New formula, energy is equal to power into time. So you can write the conclusion as, therefore, TV has consumed more energy than electrical toaster. Take it. 1 hour. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 60 minutes. Correct. You can convert this 1 hour into 60 minutes. Keep this as 10 minutes. Either submit changes. This will become a watt hour. Instead of watt hour, this will become watt per minute. Seconds. You should go for higher unit. It will be very easier. ಈಗ ನೀವು ಮನೇಲಿ ನಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬರ್ತೀರಿ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? You will measure that in kilometers. If I tell you measure in centimeters, what will happen? Getting over too much clutter, confusions will come. So using higher digit is better. ಅಷ್ಟು ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆರಾಮ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಇವತ್ತು ಗೊತ್ತೆಲ್ಲ ಇಟ್ಕೋರಿ, ಯೂಸ್ ಹೈಯರ್ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್. ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ದೊಡ್ಡದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು, ಸಣ್ಣದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡ್ರಿ. ಸಣ್ಣದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೊರಟು ಮತ್ತೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಕಿದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಐ ಯೂಸ್ ಅವರ್. ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ read 17th one.
An electric heater of resistance 8 ohm draws 15 ampere from the service. Hence, 2 hours. Calculate the rate at which heat is developed in the heater.
So calculate the heat they are asking, but first we will find power. ಇದರೊಳಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ answers they have calculated power. Okay, they are telling us heat. How they have calculated that written afterwards? First we will calculate power. Power is equal to, which formula I should use? Power is equal to which formula I should use? I square R. Okay, I square R. I is how much? 15 square. I is 15. 15 square into R. R is 8. 225 into 8. Do it. 225 into 8. Fast. Do it. 225 into 8. 1800. Correct. 1800 watt. This is the power used. See, heat by time is equal to, we equate it as power. So instead of finding this heat by time, we directly found power, which signifies the sun. Getting? Read the question once again.
An electric heater of resistance 8 ohm draws 15 ampere from the service main to us. Calculate the rate at which heat is developed by the
So calculate the rate at which heat is developed at this time, which is equated to direct power. So we will not find heat here. Heat is equal to, you must remember I square RT. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಕತಿ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. Getting? So we directly calculate power. Power is equal to I square R. This is 1800 watt. ಎಷ್ಟು power ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತೈತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದು. ಎಷ್ಟು heat ಹೇಳತ್ತೈತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ you check any guide. ಅದ್ರ ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬೇರೆ ಇತ್ತು. Getting? But if you check any guide or if you check any Google answers, if you do 1800 watt is answer. But if you check the behind answer of your textbook, it's different. Getting? So ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ದಾಗ ಏನು ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಅದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ಲಿ ಅಂತೂ ಇದೇ ಬರತ್ತಾರೆ. So I went with this same thing. Getting? So ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರ್ರಿ, ನಂಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ಏನು ಬರತ್ತದ ಹೇಳಿ. ಇದೊಂದು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ರಿ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ. ಇದು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ಲಿಂದ ಸಮ್ ಇಷ್ಟ ಐತೆ, ಇದೊಂದು ಸಮ್ ಇಷ್ಟ, ಇದು ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಐತಿದೆ ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿ. No one is able to do this more than this. Okay, so this is the answer. You can go home, check it in your any Google ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಏನಾರ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಇದು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಬೇಗ. Take it. ತಿಳಿದ? Sum is very simple. The only thing is we have equated it to power. ಅಷ್ಟೊತ್ತಲಾಗಿ ಇಟ್ಟವ್ರಿ, ಇದು ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬಾರ್ದು. ಹೀಟ್. Take it. Check in Google, check last year textbooks, classworks ಯಾರಿದ್ರೆ ಹುಡುಕಿ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. Take it. I have left two examples. 12.5, 12.6. First we'll do 12.6. Read. Sit quiet. Example 12.6. Read.
A wire of given material having length L
See here. A wire has length L.
and area of
Given material, they are not. One the material ಐತಿ, okay? You can take copper, metal, anything, aluminum. That's the same metal. Next.
and area of cross section
Huh.
A
Area of cross section A
has a resistance of 4 ohm.
has resistance of
4 ohm.
4 ohm.
What would be the resistance of another wire of the same material having
See, material is same again.
length L by 2
Length is L by 2.
and area of cross section 2A?
Resistance. Read the question once. That one I should find, I think so.
A wire of given material having length L
Hmm.
and area of cross section A has a resistance of 4 ohm. What would be the resistance of another wire of the same material?
So resistance I should calculate. Okay, I got the question. Okay. See here. There are this also material is same, that material is also same. Okay, think both are copper. Resistance rho. Okay. So resistivity of material will be same throughout the wire. Here length is L, area of cross section A, resistance is 4 ohm. Okay. Ist length ಐತಿ, ist area of cross section ಇದ್ರೆ 4 ohm resistance ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Next here the length has been divided by 2. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 100 ಇದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು length 50 ಇದೆ, 50 half. Okay. And the cross section area is A there. Here 2A ಅಂದ್ರೆ increase ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರ, ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ 100 width ಇದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 200 width ಆಗಿದೆ. Okay, they have increased the width cross section area. So I should tell how much resistance it will develop. And yes, resistance ಬರ್ಬೋದು. So we know that resistance R is equal to formula. Whenever we have resistivity of metal, rho L by A is the formula. Remember, rho means one thing I will specify and tell. R means resistance. Rho means resistivity of material. Every material will have different resistivity. ಅವಾಗ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮೆಟಲ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ resistivity ಇದೆ ಎಷ್ಟೈತಪ್ಪ, ಕಾಪರ್, ಅಲ್ಯೂಮಿನಿಯಂ, ಜಿಂಕ್, ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್ಸ್ ಇಂದು ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ resistivity ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಬೇರೆ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ. ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಲೆಂತ್ L ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, resistance is equal to rho L by A. Okay, rho means resistivity of material, L means length, A means cross section area. Okay, so according to this formula, if I go, I have applied everything. Rho means resistivity of that material. They have not told me which material it is, so keep rho only. Length is how much? Length is L. Cross section area A is A only. So this is equal to how much? 4 ohm. It's producing a resistance of 4 ohm. Getting this material with these instructions, it's producing the resistance of 4 ohm. So resistance is equal to 4 ohm here. Once I do the sum, we will get it. Okay. Here, come here. Same formula will apply. Resistance is equal to rho L by A. We know this formula. Here, resistivity of material both are same. I will take a rho. R is equal to rho as it is. But the length has become how much here? L by 2. Length has become L by 2. L is L by 2 here. What is the cross section area A is here? A is 2A. A is 2A. Any doubts? Rho L by A. He give it 2 L by 2. I can send this 2 here also. So this will become rho L by 4A. Proper? ತಿಳಿದ 2 ತೆಳಗೆ ಬರ್ತೈತೆ L by 2. So L by 4A. Now ಇದು 1 by 4 ಇದು ಹೊರಗೆ ತೆಗೆದು ಬಿಡ್ತೇನೆ. This will become 1 by 4 ಹೊರಗೆ ತೆಗೆದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ನಮಗೀಗ ರೋ L by A ಉಳಿತ. 1 by 4 if I pull out, see what will remain? Rho L by A will remain. 1 by 4 I have took outside. 1 by 4 keep it as it is. What is the value of rho L by A when it was same material? 4. 4 4 cancel. Answer is 1. Three answer. E type matter. So here they have not given the specific answer set under length at 100 meter itpa. Resistivity only resistivity they have mentioned, it's 4 ohm. Remaining everything they have kept at as length is L. Area of cross section is A. Getting one example I will tell you. 100 marks paper ತಗೊಂಡೆಪ್ಪ. Okay. She has took A marks. Okay, listen properly. She has took A marks. He has took A by 2 marks. So how much he has got? Okay, 100 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇವ್ನಿಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತೈತಿ? 50 ಬಂತು. ಹಂಗೆ ಹೇಳತ್ತಾರ. They are not exactly telling 100 marks 100 by ಅದು ಹೇಳತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅವರು. ಈಕಿ A ತಗೊಂಡಾಳ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವ್ನಿಗೆ A by 2 ಸಿಕ್ಕೈತಿ. ಈಕಿ A ತಗೊಂಡಾಳ ಇವ್ನಿಗೆ 2A ಸಿಕ್ಕೈತಿ. 2A ಅಂದ್ರೆ 200. 3A ಅಂದ್ರೆ 300. Like that they are specifying. Any doubts? So this sum looks difficult, but it's very easy. Simple sum. Rho L by is the formula. L andre L, A andre A, change illa illi. Adakka rho L by A becomes 4 ohm. Keep it as constant. Here rho as it is. Adakka resistivity of material both are same. L is L by 2. L by 2. A is 2A. ಇದು ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ? L by 4 ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. 1 by 4 separate ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 by 4 rho L by A I will get. Rho L by A just now I got 4 ohm. Write that. You get the answer. Any doubts? Take it. Simple. 12.5. Example 12.5. Read, anybody? What's question? ನೀವು ಓದ್ question. Resistance is 26 ohm at a resistivity of metal at a is question mark. Next. So yesterday what I did? Yesterday 0.3 millimeter I have converted it as meters. I have written 0.3 into 10 power minus 3. Getting? I have took it as, if anybody has written, you can see there, I have took 0.3 into 10 power minus 3. 0.3 into 10 power minus 3 meters I have took. Many guys, whatever notes you take, they are written like this only, 0.3 to 10 power minus 3. But one more step we should do here. After writing this, if I want to move this point here, one more point here, this will become 3. If I make this 3, 1 point below this will become 10 power minus 4 meter. Getting? So they have written by mistake 0.3 here. In the sum while doing they have to this value. Getting? So it was confusing. So don't take this value. 0.3 millimeter. Move this point here, make it 3. 3 into 10 power minus 4 meter. Understood? Okay. Now we are finding rho. We know the formula of resistance is equal to rho L upon A. And I am finding rho. Rho is equal to rho. If I keep it here, R A will come, R A whole divided by L. Perfect. R A will come here, L will come in the denominator. Sorry. R. Now rho is equal to R. How much is my resistance? One more thing. R. We know that A formula A is equal to what? A is equal to pi d square by 4. Remember this? I should have told this. Cross section area. Whenever they give me diameter, I should use pi d square by 4. R pi d square pi d square. A means pi d square. By 4 will come here, so 4a. Perfect. R R pi d square by 4 into L. Rho is equal to R. Now R resistance is how much? 26 into pi 3.14 into D. 3 into 10 power minus 4 D. Here it is, let's say 3 into 10 power minus 4 whole square whole divided by 4 into 4 into L. L is length is 1. Understood? Understood? I thought if I take 10 power minus 3 also I will get the answer. See, value are same or 0.33 into both are same. Getting? But if you do this, you will get textbook answer. If you do this also, it's correct answer. 118 was the but the answer is perfect. But you will not get textbook answer. To get your textbook answer, we should do this. Okay? So 26 into 3.14 rho is equal to 26 into 3.14 into 3 square 9 into 10 power minus 4 whole square 10 power minus 8. 4 into 2 10 power minus 8 4 divided by 4. Now you guys should do 26 into 9 then do into 3.1. How much you get? Tell me fast. Be quick. 26 into 9 then do into 3.14. Then whole divided by 4. Do that whole multiplication. So 76,000 in point is rho is equal to divided by 4. 734. I think everybody got. If you multiply these three and then divide by 4, you will get 183.69 into what is the meaning? 10 power minus 8. 10 power minus 8. Now what I will do? I will move 2 points from here. If I move 2 points from here, rho is equal to, it will become 1.836 into 10 power minus 6. 2 points move ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, so minus 8 it became minus 6. I move 2 points here, so this minus 8 became minus 6. And this is the answer. You can check your textbook. If you take 10 power minus 3 and do, if you take 10 power minus 3 and do, you will get answer, but you will end up little bit different. Getting what? But answers are same. If you want to get end up as your textbook answer, then you should take this 3 into 10 power minus 4, which ಯಾರು ಈಗ perfectly ಇರೋದು ಹೋಗೋದನ್ನ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. Some people take 0.3, some people take 3. Getting? Your textbook has took 3, so I took 3 and showed. ತಿಳಿತಾ? ನಿನ್ನೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನ 0.32 ಮಾಡತ್ತಿದ್ದೆ. It's also correct, but your textbook has used this value. ತಿಳಿತಾ? Any doubts? Any doubts? Take it. Exercise. All examples are completed. Exercise. Fourth sum. Till 3 I did. Then I went directly to 8. We have done 7 sum. So 3, 4, 5 I should do. That was remaining. Open the fourth sum. Read. Exercise sum. Read it.
Two conducting wires of the same material
Hmm.
and of say equal length
Hmm.
and equal diameter
Hmm.
are first connected in series
Hmm.
and then parallel in a circuit across the same potential difference. The ratio of heating produced in series and parallel combination.
Hmm. Now see here. Two. Once again, little bit in the beginning.
Two conducting wires of same material and equal
See, two conducting wires. If you think copper, both the wires are made up of copper only, and both have same length, both have same resistivity, both have same everything is same. Okay. The only difference is first time I will conduct it as parallel. Second time I will take it as series or series first time, second time parallel. What will be the difference in the resistivity? Resistivity is asking heat. What will be the ratio of the heat produced? Under series connect ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು heat produce ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ wire ಒಳಗೆ, and if I connect it in parallel, how much heat is getting produced? Okay, so which formula will apply? Heat. Whenever heat is given, potential difference is given, resistance is given. H is equal to V square by R. V square by R. ನೆನಪೈತಿ? Okay. First, one by one I will take. First, if I connect it in series, okay, the resistances are same. So resistance one is R, resistance two is also R. We don't know how much is it, but we know both are same. The 5 ohm is ಇದು 5 ohm resistance ಕೊಡಿ. So series is equal to first RS is equal to R1 plus R2. RS is equal to R1 is R, R2 is also R. R plus R, 2R. This is the RS. Okay, next I will do parallel. Parallel 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by R1 is how much? R, and 1 by R2 is also R. 1 by Rp is equal to R. LCM is R. Okay, 1 plus 1. 1 by Rp is equal to 2 by R. 2 by R. Rp is equal to R by any doubts? Rp is equal to R by 2. Any doubts there? So resistance in series, if I connect these wires, I will get 2R. Resistance in parallel, if I connect, I will get 2R. 2 R by 2. Okay. Now heat formula. Heat is equal to V square by R T. This is a new formula for you guys. Model under new formula. H is equal to V square by R into time. So I should find out the heat in series to the heat in parallel ratio. Heat in series to heat in parallel ratio in ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ heat in series to heat in parallel. So heat in series formula also same, heat in parallel also same. The only difference is resistance. Resistance in series RS I will take, resistance in parallel RP I will take. Okay. So heat in series is equal to V square by RS into time t whole divided by heat in parallel V square by RP into time t. Any doubts? Any doubts? Okay. So T I can cancel here directly. V square is in numerator, V square is in numerator. I can cancel it because we know potential difference across the same, across the both the wires are same. Okay. So V square also cancelled. But we know RS is different, RP is different. Now RP, this is like 1 by RS whole divided by 1 by RP. So RP, if I shift it here, it will become RP by 1. RP will go in the numerator. So it will become RP by RS. Any doubts here? RP will go in the numerator, RS stays in the denominator. RP by RS. So how much is RP? Check here. RP is R by 2. I will take it here. Okay, once again we'll write. RP by RS I am doing now. So RP is R by 2. R by 2 whole divided by RS is 2R. Got what I did here? So only I did those values and kept there. RS RP again use ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಉಳಿತು RP by RS ಹಾಕಿದೆ. So now 2R by 1 ಇದ್ದಂಗೆ ಇದೆ. Okay, it's like 2R by 1. If I again reciprocate that, ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಮಾಡಿದೆಪ್ಪ, this will become 1 by 2R. So R by 2 into 1 by 2R. Understood what I did here? Okay, reciprocated that. R into 1, R. 2 into 2R, 4R. R cancel because resistance is same. Both wires have same resistance. R cancel. 1 by 4. 1 by 4 connectors, 1 is to. What is the meaning? In series, listen properly. In series, how much is the heat getting produced? 1 ratio. And in the parallel, it's getting produced as a 4. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 10 ಇತ್ತು 10 ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇರ್ತೈತಿ 40 ಇರ್ತೈತಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 100 ಇದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 400 ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಎನಿ ಡೌಟ್ ಎನಿ ಡೌಟ್ ಎನಿ ಡೌಟ್ ಹೇಗೆ Ramali? So just stop this much. Read the next one. Stop writing 1 second. Once one day would tell you, but fifth one. Read.
How is the voltmeter connected in the series? Measure the potential.
See here. If I have resistance, this is our ammeter. Okay, this is our voltage supply. This is how our circuit is connected. Okay, this is how the circuit is there. So you guys should tell me where should I connect my voltmeter? This is the resistance R. Voltmeter ಕೆಲಸ ಏನಪ್ಪ potential difference ಹುಡುಕುದು. Where should I connect that? Voltmeter ಎಲ್ಲಿ connect ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? Remember this, we have connected like this voltmeters. ಹಿಂಗೆ connect ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೆ ನೆನಪೈತಿ ಮೂರ್ resistance ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ in parallel circuits you might remember. In series also we have connected like this. In series circuit we connect voltmeters like this. Remember this? First day, first class. ಹಿಂಗೆ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಾ ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಟೈಪ್ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ xy point ತಗೊಂಡು we can take x and y points and then we connect it like this. Remember this voltmeter connecting this? Two things were there. We have done both sums. So for this resistance, this voltmeter is connected in which type? Series or parallel? Can it appears parallel? So always a voltmeter here also it is connected in parallel only. If it's a properly, it must be the parallel. So voltmeter is always connected in the parallel type. Getting? That's it. So parallelly connect ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ voltmeter, but the ammeter is connected in a series. So ammeter is connected in series always, and voltmeters are always connected in parallel type. Any doubts? That they are asking. One mark question. This is my appearance. Any doubts? Voltmeter is always connected in parallel. Ammeter is always connected in series. Okay, take fifth answer. Do those diagrams. Fifth answer is very simple. Next last one, sixth answer. One week ಆದ್ರೆ electricity ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತಿದ್ರೆ 1 week. Sixth, right?
Copper wire has diameter 1.5 mm. Resistivity 1.6 10 to the power of -8 ohm. What will be the length of this wire to make the resistance 10 ohm? How much does the resistance change if the diameter?
That is the second one. First we'll do this. First I want is to separate length. Okay, we'll take it as two parts. Sum as two parts. So diameter is given. Rho is given, resistance is given, I should find length. Remember this is the diameter again one sum then ಮಾಡಿದ first sum ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 0.5 mm can be converted as 0.5 into 10 power minus 3 meter again. Remember now again 0.5 into ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ ನಿನ್ನೆ. So we'll keep it as 5.5 into 10 power minus 4 meters. Understood? Why I am converting say here it is millimeter but my resistivity is in meter. This cannot be in millimeter and this cannot be in meter. Both should be same. The meter is a meter as well. So I converted this from millimeters to meters. Any doubt? Now everything is balanced. See, diameter is 5 10 power minus 4 meter. This is 1.6 into 10 power minus 8 ohm meter. This is also in ohms. Everything is perfect now. Now I can start my work. So one by one will do. First one, R is equal to, we know that resistance is equal to rho L upon A. Further I will do resistivity rho L upon A means what? Pi d square by 4. Remember? Pi d square by 4. 4 pi d square by 4, if I make it as a reciprocal, it will become rho L. This 4 will go in the numerator into 4 divided by pi d square. Pi d square will stay there only numerator in denominator. Perfect? Perfect. So can I write this as rho 4L upon pi d square. This is the ending answer. Please ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳಿ ಈಗ ಗೈಡ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಪ್ಪ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ write this, they write this. This all steps are gone. This is how I end up getting this answer. Confuse ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಎದಕ್ಕೆ 4 ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಬಂತು how did we get new formula again? So that formula they are extending like that. Any doubts? Resistance is equal to rho L upon A. A means pi d square by 4. We know that 4 will come here. L into 4 by pi d square. 4L into pi d square. Okay. So remember the new formula R is equal to, I think we have used this formula also. R is equal to rho 4L upon pi d square. This is your formula. But what I am finding here? What I am finding? I am finding length. I am not finding resistance. So length will return ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಕಳಿಸುತ್ತೆ. Okay, I should send all that side. So length will stay here. So first R is here only. First the pi d square will join that. From denominator it will go and sit here into pi d square. Into pi d square. Dot means into pi d square join there. 4 divided by rho 4L will come in the numerator denominator. Rho dot 4L. Any doubts? Any doubts? Okay, now let's do the sum. Understood? This is your length formula now. Don't bad ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. I am using this from here only. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಏನು ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನನ್ನ ಕರೆ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ನನ್ನ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. This is how I find. ನೀವು ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೋಗೋ ಜರೂರು ಇಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಲ್ಲ. Okay. So R resistance is how much here? Resistance is 10 into pi means 3.14 into diameter 5 into 10 power minus 4 whole square 4 divided by rho. Resistivity is 1.6 into 10 power minus 8 into 4 into L. Length is ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ? Okay, length is not there. Length ತೆಗಿದೆ. Rho into 4 ಅಷ್ಟೇ answer. Length has went here. Okay, length stays here only. Any doubts? Correct? Perfect? Now it's your work to do further. ಮಾಡಿ. Still more ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಹೋಗ್ತೇನೆ ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ 10 into 3.14 into pi square 25 into 10 power minus 4 into 2 minus 8 4 divided by 1.6 into 10 power minus 8 into 4. 10 power minus 8 10 power minus 8 cancel. Cancel. Okay. Next 10 into 3.14 will become 31.4. Okay, 31.4 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. 31.4 into 25 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ your ಮನಸ್ ದೂರ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಹೋಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಹೊರ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು Multiply and tell me the answer.
780.
Total answer, last ending answer. Do everything and tell the answer. 3925 by 32 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಮೇಲೆ 3925 ಅಂತ ನಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅವ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. 25 into 10 into 3.14 ಇದು. One nine 1226 will get. See here, still more further I will do and in sort of answers. One simple method I will use, which many are not using. 10 into 3.14 can I write as 314 into 100. 3.14. Directly sorry, ನಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲೆ 100 ಹಾಕ್ತಿದ್ದೆ. 3.14. To write it as 314, I should put it here 100. ತಿಳಿದ? like ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ 100. 3.14 I will written as 314 by 100. Can I write like this? ತಿಳಿದ? 314 by 100 into 25 into 10 power minus 8 is. Okay. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 16 ಐತಪ್ಪ 1.6 ಕಾಣತೈತಿ. ಆ 1.6 ನಾ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ here I will write as 16 ಮೇಲೆ 10 ಕಳಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಮೇಲೆ 16 by 16 by 10 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1.6. Okay. Getting it? ತಿಳಿತದೆ? 1.6 into what's the meaning here? 10 power minus 8 is mean 4 ಬರ್ತೈತಿ into 10 power minus. ಈಗ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? आता तेच आता त्याच्यानं खाली तोर्ಸಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರಿ. So I just I've written this, so I wrote also. Now you can do so. Now it will become more easier. 100 cancel. 4 ones are 16. 116. 1226 meters. I will do in calculator. Wait. 10. 3.14 divided by. Correct, I got 122.6. 122.6. See here, first you will get 785 mile. It multiply simple multiplication. If you just multiply this 10 into 25 into 3.14, you get 785. Perfect 785 bರುತ್ತೆ. 785 divided by 1.6 into 4 minus 6.4 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Okay. 785 divided by 6.4 into 2 will get 122.6. If you do this also, you get same answer. What Eden method is 100 10 10 100 cancel. 314 into 25 10 power minus 10 power minus 8 cancel. 10 and 14 into 25 ಮಾಡಿ 4 into 16 ಮಾಡಿ. 10 and 14 into 25 how much? 10 and 14 into 25. 785 ನ ಬಂತು. 785. 7850. 7850 will get 4 into 16. 16 4 is 64. 64. Divide it and check. You should get 122.6 meters. Any doubts? Any doubts? See, your calculation should increase. Hanger ಮಾಡಿ easy ಮಾಡಿ calculate ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Breakdown ಮಾಡಿ fast calculations. ಮಾಡಿ practice. 5 6 means it's approximately 6. Correct. So that is the answer. Any doubts? Length finding. Understood how I took length formula? Okay, take it. Still one more part is the right fast. ಇಲ್ಲ ಆರಾಮ್ time ಇದೆ. Read further, sir. Here only I will try to do that. Read.
How much does the resistance change? The diameter is about.
How much does the resistance change? This resistance, how much it will change? If I double the diameter, they are saying. So diameter, can I take it as 2D? Diameter, we are doubling that. We don't know approximately. We will go with 500, but don't think with that. Just think diameter is one given unit. We are doubling that. What will we get? How many times will it increase? Resistance. Resistance is asking. Okay. So resistance is equal to, we know the formula, rho L upon A. Perfect. Resistance is equal to rho L upon A. Now rho L upon A can be written as further rho R is equal to rho. And further direct further now 4L upon 5 d square by 2. It is the last answer. ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದು ವಿಚಾರ ಮಾಡಿ. This I can write. This is the formula. But what is my diameter? It is doubled. So diameter has become 2D now. So instead of D I should write 2D. So rho resistance is equal to rho 4L on pi. Diameter means 2D square. Right? Diameter double ಮಾಡಿದೆ. Resistance what I will get? Rho 4L upon pi into 4D square. Now in 4 ಏನಿಲ್ಲ 1 by 4 ಇದಂಗೆ 4 ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 by 4 ಇದೆ. 1 by 4 I will pull it outside. So 1 by 4 if I pull it outside it come here ಹೊರಗಡೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ 1 by 4. Now what is the meaning? Into rho 4L upon pi d square is meaning only 4 have removed. 4 also ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಉಳಿದೆಲ್ಲ ಸೇಮ್ ಉಳಿದಿದೆ. Now can you see this formula here? R is equal to rho 4L by pi d square ಕಾಣತೈತಿ. So this I will take it as R dash. This is not R ಮತ್ತು same ಆಗಿಬಿಡ್ತೈತಿ R dash. Therefore R dash is equal to 1 by 4 into this whole thing is R resistance. So R dash refers to if I double the diameter. R dash refers to if I double the diameter, the resistance will increase by 4 times. 1 by 4 times. Decrease. Actually 1 by 4 decrease. 4L ಅಂದ್ರೆ decrease. But that is 1 by 4 times ಆಗ್ತದೆ. 100 ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ 25. Resistance by 4 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. 100 ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ 25 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. 1000 ಇದ್ರೆ 250 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. So R dash is equal to become R by 4. So we can take it 1 by 4 times. This answer. Resistance has been increased on the bottom by 1 by 4 times just written like that. So 1 by 4 times. Take it. Any doubts? Clear? I hope you understood. Diameter of my 2D applied in the formula. This is the answer that you get. 1 by 4 times if I increase the diameter. If diameter is just resistance decrease that I am telling. If diameter is increasing, you can see the resistance has been decreased 1 by 4. Simple. Take it.